Okay, last one. This is the only one that requires heat at all. On. That's the wrong one.
Wrong burner.
That's the right burner.
And that's on her first glass.
I know. Oh, that was on my first sip. Okay, so now we have olives. We're gonna drain them. We need a little bit of olive oil.
Where they stuff my, here it is. Got it back here.
I better turn.
A little olive oil.
Kind of a lot of bit of olive oil.
All right.
Okay. Glunk, glunk,
Glunk,
glunk.
glunk, glunk.
Then we're just gonna marinate some olives up. They don't have to be the fancy kind. A little bit of red pepper flakes, some rosemary. Hello.
Hello, Rosemary.
Like...
She's a fun girl to have at the party.
Isn't she?
Some garlic.
Yeah.
Right?
And a little zest.
And a little orange zest.
We bring it up to a simmer for just a couple minutes.
Nice. So everybody infuses.
Yeah, becomes best friends. Then the olives get
Dump your
poured
olives in.
You can get the pits or the no pits. It depends on, you know, if you like your friends that much and you're gonna tell them there's pits or not. Helping out your dentist. He's like drumming up business for them. Okay.
And that's it. You just heat them up and cool them down, and then we've got some right here. Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
That's a great something to bring to someone's house if you hate to cook.